Hey guys, Crystal Thompson here for Unity. Today we are doing episode 2 of the Woodland Festivities stamp set. We're doing a Chic color combo using some pink colors. Let's get started. Along with the Woodland Festivities, we're going to use the Melon Mambo color, along with the Sweet Sugar Plum, which is light pink, and a light purple, which is the Wisteria Wonder. We are also using 2 shades of Distress Oxides, Seedless Preserves, and Pickled Raspberry. Be using glitter embossing powder, clear sequins, and water to get started. We are going to begin by doing our background using the pink and the purple shades of Distress Oxide. We're going to blend them really lightly onto our white cardstock, which is our card base. A little tip from a friend: I've been using these blender brushes and using one per color family. So that's why you see it says pink on the end. Once that is blended, gonna add a couple droplets of water and set aside to dry. While that dries, we are gonna create the ombre from the tree from Woodland Festivities. We are gonna do the top with the purple, and then doing the light pink in the center and the darkest pink in the middle. Then we're gonna hand cut the tree. We're gonna remove all the little snow flickers from the actual tree. Once that is cut, we are going to place a piece of foam adhesive on the back. Now we're gonna place the sentiment using the Holy Night from the Woodland Festivities. We're gonna stamp it in the purple, and then over it, before it dries, we're gonna add some glitter embossing powder. For a couple finishing touches, we're gonna add the clear sequins, and we're gonna do it around the tree, predominantly on the right side of the Holy Night, since the tree is off to one side. And that does it for our second installment using the Woodland Festivities and a Chic color combo. Thanks so much. Come back next Tuesday for the 3rd episode of this stamp set. Have an awesome day.